Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and this is a 2006 Honda Accord. Specifically, a base model sedan Accord, and in this video, I will demonstrate how to remove the infotainment system. The tools that you're going to need are a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. It doesn't matter if they're long or short. You're also going to need an adjustable wrench or a ratchet with a 10mm socket. Now, keep in mind that the radio is in one separate unit, as it is also part of the climate controls in one unit. This is found in this specific generation of the Accord from 2003 to 2007. The first thing that you're going to do is disconnect the car battery, specifically disconnect the ground battery cable. This is only done for safety reasons, as you don't want anything in your car to go on or something wrong might happen. Once the ground cable has been disconnected, you're gonna come inside the vehicle and unsnap the trim ring that's around the shifter. You can also use plastic dash removal tools to remove the ring trim and other pieces that are eventually gonna get removed, but keep in mind, it works with a plain screwdriver. You just gotta be careful to not mess up the interior. Next step that you're going to do is remove the assembly of the power outlet and the not an ashtray. I should also mention that some of the parts in this video don't have any screws on them, as myself figured out that my car doesn't have them, so I'm gonna show pictures as to what those screws look like and where will they be for you to unscrew them. After that, you're gonna go ahead and pop out a little piece that's next to the shift lever. Once that's out of the way, you're gonna go ahead and stick your key in the little hole and move the shift lever all the way back. This will make it a whole lot easier to remove the pocket that's underneath the radio and AC unit, in which that is the next step that has to be done. And also, don't forget to remove the two screws that are below that pocket to get it out. Now, there's gonna be two screws below the infotainment system and AC controls unit. You can either remove those screws now or after you remove the upper panel. It doesn't matter which way you want to do it. Once that panel is out of the way, unscrew the three screws that were behind that panel that support the infotainment system. All that is left is pull out the unit and disconnect any harnesses that are connected to it. And there you go. That's how you remove the infotainment system / AC controls of a 2006 Honda Accord. Anyways, that's gonna be it. Hope that helped you out, and have a nice day or evening.